Don't lose too much money in Vegas, Dave.
I will try not to.
The FX Morning Mayhem podcast is an essential listen for currency traders. Each episode covers a curated watch list of key currency pairs alongside insightful market observations. It highlights crucial daily news events that could influence the market, ensuring traders are well informed. Additionally, the podcast offers valuable trading strategy tips catering to both new and experienced traders in the Forex market. This podcast is for educational purposes only. None of this info should be construed as investment advice. To see the trades called out live for free on our Slack channel, click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join the trade faction. If you find this podcast valuable, please follow and share with a friend. And now, on with the show. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, March 7th, 2025. And you're listening to FX Morning Mayhem. It's time for the daily market briefing. In today's headlines, President Trump signed amendments delaying tariffs on Canada and Mexico until April 2nd, but this failed to boost market sentiment. Fed Governor Waller stated he doesn't see a case for a March rate cut, while maintaining that 2 cuts in 2025 remain reasonable. Atlanta Fed President Bostic emphasized the need for patience. US futures struggled to recover from Wall Street's pressure, with European futures indicating a weak opening. The dollar index fell below 104.00, while the euro rose above 1.08. ECB officials are reportedly considering an April rate cut decision. Bond markets showed mixed performance, with bonds remaining below 129.00 and US Treasuries firming. The day ahead features key economic data releases, including US non-farm payrolls and Canadian jobs reports, as well as speeches from Fed and ECB officials. Stay tuned for a currency market update with Bill and Dave up next. Thanks for listening to FX Morning Mayhem podcast. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review if you found this helpful.
Let's start with the currency pairs. First, Ossie New Zealand dollar. It is in the zone. We are waiting for a short sweet spot setup right there. Ossie US dollar, also in the zone, waiting for a short sweet spot. Euro Canadian dollar, still hyperextended, baby. Nothing to do there.
Yeah.
Also on the pound Canadian dollar, hyperextended, nothing to do there. New Zealand US dollar in the zone, waiting for a short setup. Singapore dollar, Swiss franc in the zone, waiting for a short sweet spot setup. US Canadian dollar, nothing going on, ignore that. US chief, nothing going on, ignore that. Brings me to the market insight section of the show. So, Dave, what do you think is the best place for you to be on the planet if you're going to be a giant crypto trader maniac?
Some regulations are really.
I found this article, I thought was extremely interesting because this is such a new thing, and global crypto tax policies are all over the place. Some countries are imposing like ridiculous taxes on the gains, and others aren't even paying attention. Some other ones are just banning them outright. You can't do crypto in that country. So anyway, the countries with the highest taxes, this one actually surprised me. Japan, 55% tax on crypto. Denmark also very high with a 52% tax. Germany has a 45% tax on crypto. The places to be if you want to trade and not have to pay a lot of taxes, no taxes on crypto whatsoever in Brunei, Cyprus, El Salvador, Georgia, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Oman, Panama, Saudi Arabia, Switzerland, and the United Arab Emirates. They are trying to actually attract crypto investors because they recognize it could be future tax revenue. So it's not going to be forever, but for now. And the countries where crypto is banned is Afghanistan, Algeria, Bangladesh, China, Egypt, Morocco, Nepal, and Tunisia. Anyway, that's what it's all about. Thought you'd find that interesting. Don't lose too much money in Vegas, Dave.
I will try not to.